Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Edgewater in Salford to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a spacious 3-bedroom semi-detached property overlooking the reservoir to the right. As you can see, there's a driveway providing off-road parking for several cars along with a detached garage. Let's take a look inside. As we head in, we go into a porch which leads on through to a large lounge area, and towards the rear of the property you've got this lovely modern fitted kitchen which benefits from those views of the reservoir as well. It's a nice feature. And then the rear of the property, you've got beautifully presented, low maintenance garden complete with artificial grass, decking and a pergola. And I'll just show you those lovely views a bit more depth. What a lovely feature. The property benefits from being within easy access of transport links throughout Manchester, despite the fact it's set a little bit further back from the road, so it benefits from that privacy, but still the convenient access to transport links as well. Property benefits from being within easy access of local schooling too. It would make a great first time home or investment. At the top of the stairs, you've got this contemporary 3-piece bathroom. Then we've got a double bedroom just through here, which is a good size. So at the front of the property, we've got a 3rd bedroom. And finally, we've got the main bedroom, which is a large double, as you can see. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.